This product has a real-time driving record function and extends the open Android system through the car USB port. In addition, it also supports 4G, GPS, Bluetooth, phone interconnection, wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Insert the SIM card and TF card into the product. It is recommended to install the product near the rear view mirror of the car, where the image view is better. Use the included stick to bury the power cable into the car roof. Automobile A seal strip. Choose the data cable according to your card interconnection port. Click CarPlay on the screen, then enter the product's Android system interface. Wait a moment, and then enter the Android system. Video recording status. Automatically start recording by default. The center of the icon. Loop video. Click to view each video field saved in the driving video. Click to record resolution, time watermark, recording field length, recording frame rate, and other related settings. The lens can be adjusted 30 degrees up and down. The product extends the open Android system and supports download app freely to achieve rich audition, entertainment, and navigation functions. A large number of exciting videos to watch at your leisure, which makes your driving life joyful. Compatible with steering wheel operation. Two systems can be switched at view. Click the AutoKit icon on the car screen. Turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your iPhone. Search the Bluetooth name displays on the car screen with your phone and click Pairing. Wait for a while and wireless CarPlay works. Three systems can be switched at view. Click the AutoKit icon on the car screen. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your Android phone. Search the Bluetooth name displays on the car screen with your phone and click Pairing. Wait for a while and wireless Android Auto works. Three systems can be switched at will.